The Mercedes-Benz W120 Ponton, a true symbol of automotive excellence, emerged onto the scene in the post-World War II era. It marked a significant shift for Mercedes-Benz, being their first mass-produced car after the war. The Ponton, named for its distinctive pontoon-shaped fenders, quickly captured the hearts of car enthusiasts worldwide with its sleek and elegant design. But it wasn't just about the looks. Underneath its stylish exterior, the Ponton boasted innovative engineering, including a unibody construction, which provided greater strength and rigidity compared to traditional body-on-frame designs. Its independent suspension system, a rarity in the 1950s, ensured a smooth and comfortable ride, even over rough roads. This groundbreaking technology set the Ponton apart from its competitors, showcasing Mercedes-Benz's commitment to excellence in performance and comfort. And let's not forget about the engine. The Ponton was equipped with a robust power plant that delivered impressive performance while maintaining fuel efficiency, a testament to Mercedes-Benz's dedication to engineering excellence. The Mercedes-Benz W120 Ponton was equipped with a robust engine boasting a displacement of around 1.8 to 2.0 liters, depending on the specific model and variant. With this engine capacity, the Ponton delivered a commendable horsepower output, typically ranging from approximately 50 to 80 horsepower, again depending on the specific engine configuration and model year. Despite its modest displacement by modern standards, the Ponton's engine was engineered to provide a balanced combination of power and efficiency. With its spacious interior adorned with luxurious upholstery, the Ponton provided a level of comfort and refinement unmatched by its contemporaries. From its debut in the 1950s to its status as a cherished classic today, the Mercedes-Benz W120 Ponton continues to inspire admiration and awe, reminding us of a bygone era of automotive elegance and innovation.